Today I'm going to show you how you can convert an handwritten document into an editable Word document, just like this one, right? So please make sure you subscribe and hit the ring bell so that you get notified whenever a new video like this one is released on this HowToDo Technology channel. So let's move on. So the first thing you need to do, let's say you have your handwritten document in your computer, right? So you need to open your Gmail, and from these 9 dots you're going to find your drive. Open your drive, and on this page, as you can see, mine is already uploaded. So I suppose it's a picture, right? Like mine, it's already uploaded. If it's not yet uploaded, you need to import it by pressing this button here, upload or import the file. Then you're going to select the file and press on open to upload it. And once it's uploaded, now you need to click right on the file and you're going to find open with, and from open with, by default Google Docs is there. Just press open with Google Docs, and now it is opened with your Google Docs. So now for this, guys, you need internet, and it's here opened. When you scroll down here, you're going to see that it is editable. Like, there it is, your document, your handwritten document, and down below here you have it editable, right? So you just need to make sure you correct these small mistakes, right? Just select this needed. This is holy and this is west was in. Let me check. Was in, yeah, was in, exactly, was in. So go ahead and correct all these mistakes, and now all you need is just to copy this, select all the text and copy. So now open Word and paste it here, right? You can select all, change the color here. Go ahead and select it and do the editing. So this is how easy it is for you guys to make editable and handwritten document, right? So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you learned something. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more video like this one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.